Hi, welcome to this channel. My name is Oliver, and today we're going to have another great session, binary options on Quotex. And if you're new to trading, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel. Also in the description to this video you can find a lot of useful information, such as link to the platform where I trade. It's called Quotex, and also a Telegram group where you can find more useful info on trading in general and specifically with binary options. And let's get with the video of today. And today's video is, we're gonna start with $43 I got here, and we're gonna go ahead and make our first option according with the indicators. In this case it's Parabolic SAR and a moving average, an MA and SMA tenor. So we're gonna go ahead and make our first option. This looks like a bullish trend there starting, so we're gonna go ahead and use that opportunity to make our first option. Let's have a look at the result. Here's our first profit, 81.27, and our next option is going to be for $80. And let's choose our next victim, the next currency that I'm going to use. So let's go ahead to this one, and $80. We're going to go ahead and make that looks also pretty good. If you look at the Parabolic SAR, it indicates that the price is going up. So we're going to go ahead and make a call option in this case, because also it's basically a bullish trend from that pullback according to the to the market and the Parabolic SAR signal. So let's have a look at the result. And here is our second profit. As you can see, it grows significantly every time. $154 for our next option. Let's go to euros and dollar currency. As you can see, this indication was correct for the time frame that we had, but later on the price will probably fall on that currency. So let's have a look at this. Also, there is a Parabolic SAR indication that the price is actually going down, so the trend is quite bearish, and we're going to use that situation. And also we see that at the moment the market is spending, according to stochastic oscillator as well, the market is right now is spending time at the bottom, so the minimums, and it's still there for a bit. So we're gonna hope that this was a correct option, and let's see the result. And here is the next pretty good profit already, $291, and the next one is gonna be over here, and obviously for $291. And let's have a look. This looks like a call option to me. There is a pretty bullish trend here. There was a pullback, as you can see, and now it's going back on. So we're gonna jump on that train, as I like to say, and relax. So let's see the result. Really great profit already, 555. So the next option is going to be 555, a lucky number. So let's see. We're gonna go ahead to the next option, and this was a correct choice here. So let's head to the next one, 555, and it's gonna be also it's gonna be a call option in my opinion. We're touching here a support levels, and also the stochastic is nearly crossing up the slower line, so there is indication to go up. And there was a bullish trend starting, so I think this may be kind of a pullback, and then now it's gonna go back up. So let's see the results. Here we have our first pretty big profit, so it's already 1,000, and therefore using the compound percentage, we're gonna go ahead and use that $1,000 for the next option, and which is going to be on this. Well, we see a clear bear trend, so a put option here is the most accurate. So let's do that, and then enjoy the ride of that train and wait for the result. And a profit, 89% payout, so therefore $890. This is a pretty good example of how the compound percentage works. So every time it actually grows significantly. So let's go to this next option, this time again for 1,000, and again put option. Again we see a nice indication of a bearish trend, so let's keep at it. The parabolic SAR signal there. Also, if you see, we're also going with the downtrend according with the SMA. So we're in. Let's wait for the result. And here it is already. I spoke through the whole time. So 91% on this one, even more. And now you see the balance has grown significantly in just a couple of options. This is how it works. And so what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and use 2,000 to make our next option. And it's going to be, let's see if we keep, I mean, this one is a bit tricky. I mean, it looks like it's going, the price is going down at the moment, but we're going to go ahead and change to the other option. And this one looking pretty good, although maybe it's losing a bit its power, so maybe we're gonna go ahead and do, since it's 30 seconds, we'll do a quick 30-second option for $2,000 and significantly increasing our balance this way by making multiple options at a time, and because the maximums is 1,000. But the idea behind this is because the time frame. I mean, maybe generally I would go ahead and see an increase in price in minutes and more, but 30 seconds we had, as you can see, a slight pullback again, and maybe just for one candle even. So yeah, there we go. We made a 91% on 2,000, so that's pretty good. And let's go ahead for the next one. We're now able to make a 4,000 option, and we're going to do that now. 4,000 option, put option. Again, this, as I said, it's the price here is still going down. This is a previous option, a previous market here, a previous currency, and it still goes down, but it will eventually soon be going up because it's the price has been, you know, the currency has been oversold at this point. It's been in the oversold section. Oh, actually we just missed something there. Wow. Oh well, we just missed something there time-wise. Wow, but at least we have our balance back, which is great. So we're gonna go ahead and make this this again. I mean, nothing changed for me at this point, so 30 seconds as well, so I'm gonna go ahead and continue with the same, although wow, I'm kind of regretting it, maybe not, let's see. It's a very, very short one. Let's have a look. Let's see it. Oh wow. Oh god, look at that. It's a partly a good option. I mean, obviously this is what happens when we try to do this with such a short time frame. So $6,000 for another put option here, because I still want to try out this this idea. The price is still going up for a bit and then it will jump up, but I think we have enough time here to enjoy and use this to our advantage. So let's do that and let's wait for the result. Here it is. Oh, partly again, some of it went on well, some of it didn't. This is what happens, but at least we have almost 10,000 at this point because of these few very short, very risky, but very dynamic also options. And as you can see, the price just started dropping, and we're gonna go ahead and make another 4,000 of a put option. And obviously, because it's a bearish momentum, you would call it, the long strong candle like this indicates that there will be a drop in price still. But I mean, if it was a few minutes time, 5 minutes, maybe I would go ahead and place a call option instead. But this played out really well, as you can see, and wow, what a ride, right? So 13,421. We're gonna stop here, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel. If you like the content, let me know, and I'll see you all next time. Don't forget about the description to this video with all the useful information. All the best, good luck, goodbye.